Hello and welcome to Davis Chevrolet. This is a brand new 2020 GMC Canyon all-terrain crew cab 4x4 in red quartz metallic. Some of the features included in your brand new Canyon are automatic windows, power adjustable side mirrors, automatic headlights with fog lights, 4x4, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth ready, remote start, Bose audio system, AM, FM, and SIRIUSXM radio, OnStar navigation, backup camera, AC, park assist, cargo lighting, heated front seats, leather interior, wireless charging, sliding rear window, and enough space to comfortably seat 5 with room for storage. So don't miss out on your brand new Canyon. Hurry in to Davis Chevrolet and book a test drive with one of our knowledgeable product specialists today.